you didn't came live. Ah, yeah, I was sick. Just now I'm better. I was sick ramen, cold and flu. Yesterday I make a live, but not, so I think early. Yeah, yesterday. Making live yesterday. But last other day, no. 1 week I didn't make YouTube only. I live yesterday and today only. How are you now? I'm better now. Yani, I'm more than better now than other days. But I have a little bit uh, runny nose. Because of the changed weather, that's why. Weather change, it's happened to, yeah. I have hair fall and scalp like this, and cold and flu, fever, a little bit fever in the morning, but it's good now. But I need to drink more medicine. I have a little bit medicine. Need to finish. How's your work, Ramin? Good so far. Na ano na ako, nalibang na. Tapusin ko lang itong kakaon ko. Still busy from your work? Still hard time? From the new business? No, everything is in control. Good.
Bawat naisin ko ay bibigay sa'yo. Lahat ng putik, di ko nadali ang amo. Magbaka.
Is Mama? No, not here. She was here from lunchtime. No, she's staying here in 2 hours, I think. So or 3. I have to take a video of this.